Good day everyone. In this video, I am going to share what I have learned in our STS class from chapter 1 to chapter 6. So, in chapter 1, it's all about the historical antecedents in the course of science and technology. So, since science and technology didn't just appear overnight, it grew from human curiosity. So before, in ancient times, our ancestors struggled the way they lived. But with the power and help of science, they tried to experiment, discovered things, and invented technology. And it all starts there. Civilizations like Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, China, and Rome each contributed to inventions that shape our world, from the wheel and papyrus to early medicine and architecture. So, these historical foundations remind us that every great discovery starts with a simple question: how can we make life better? So in chapter 2, it's all about intellectual revolutions. So this chapter focuses on human thinking from the word intellectual. So this is the time when people began to see the world differently. And under this, we have the Copernican revolution. It changed how we viewed the universe, placing that the sun is the center of the universe and not the earth. And we have also the Darwinian revolution. It reshaped our understanding of life and evolution and the origin of the species. And we also have the Freudian revolution. It explored the human mind. It was also discussed here about the psychoanalysis. So these revolutions show that science is not just about facts. It's about challenging belief and expanding our knowledge. So next is the chapter 3. It's about science, technology, and nation building. So science and technology are powerful tools for national progress. So let's say in Philippines, we see their impact in agriculture, communication, transportation, and education. In government agencies like the DOST or the Department of Science and Technology support innovations that improve people's lives from the pre-colonial up to the modern times. Early Filipinos already used scientific ideas in their daily lives, showing their creativity and intelligence even before the modern inventions came. And next we have the chapter 4, human flourishing in science and technology. So, when you say human flourishing, it means that living a good, meaningful, and fulfilling life. So, science and technology can help us achieve that. So, through healthcare, education, and access to information. I also learned that technology is a mode of revealing. It means that technology can help humans to invent new things that makes our life convenient. But there's a question that stuck me. Are we really happier with technology? Or are we being slowly consumed with technology? So this chapter encourages us to balance when using technology in uplifting humanity, not replace it. And in chapter 5, I learned that progress is more than just inventions and machines. I realized that true progress is not only about how fast a country can grow or how many things we can produce, but also how people live well and care for the planet. Like what Jason Hickel and Peter Edwards said, we need to think again what real progress really means. Sometimes slowing down is not bad because it can help us have a more meaningful and peaceful life for everyone. And for chapter 6, it's about the good life. I can say that all this chapter lead to one question. What is the good life? I learned that true happiness or eudaimonia, as Aristotle said, is about living with purpose, virtue, and doing what is truly good. On the other hand, its opposite, we have the hedonia, focuses only on pleasure and material satisfaction, which brings temporary happiness. So, In conclusion, STS taught me how science and technology shape life and guide us toward responsible progress. And that's what I have learned. And thank you for watching.